If you've been trying to figure out how to make money online, especially at this stage of life, if you're over 55 and everything you see just feels confusing, overwhelming, or even unrealistic, I want to walk you through this in a very simple, realistic way because there are real ways to make money online, but not all of them are the same. And if you don't understand the difference, you can lose a lot of time going in the wrong direction, like I did. Have you ever thought, I know I need to do something different, but I don't know what actually works anymore? I know what that feels like. I was there. That was me. And I know because the world has changed, especially if you've been working for years like I had. This online space could feel like a completely different language. You hear things like funnels, automation, digital products, and instead of feeling clear, you feel stuck. But that's because no one's explaining it to you in a very simple way. But before I explain anything, there's one question I want you to think about. What do you want? Do you want to earn a little extra income or grow into replacing your current income over time? Because they're two entirely different paths, different efforts, different expectations, and of course, different results. If you're sitting there just thinking, I need a simple place to start, I created something for you. It's a free PDF on how to start and open your YouTube channel on your laptop and on your phone. That's on me. It's free. It's in the comment section below the link. So if your goal is just to make some extra money, there are a few options. You can promote products such as affiliates. You can create simple content and you can sell small items online. But this usually takes a lot more time and a lot more effort. If you want something more, if you're thinking, I need something that could grow, then we need a different approach. This is where most people get stuck. Instead of asking, what can I sell? Ask, what do I already know that people want and that I can help them with? If you're in your 50s, 60s, or 70s, you've done a lot of things and you have a lot to offer and you have a lot that people may need. So it gives you a whole different perspective on how you can earn online when you are promoting and selling what you already know and what people need and what people are actually looking for. But you don't need to know tons. You just need to be a few steps ahead. Now, if you want to understand what actually works online, because there are, let's face it, there are so many options, so many different ways to make money online. I've actually created a book. It's an ebook and it's called A Simple Guide to What Actually Works Online. And that link is in the comments below as well. There's a difference between trading time for money and building something once. It keeps reoccurring. You keep getting reoccurring income. If you build it once, it's there. If it's digital, it's there forever. Now, you might be thinking, I'm not techie. You don't need to be techie. Believe me, I was not techie. I'm still not techie. You don't need it. In this marketplace that we live in, you have so many things at your fingertip that actually do a lot of it for you. I needed structure. I needed someone to walk me step by step to get it done. I didn't know where to start. I was lost. And I got that. And it's really exciting. It's a simple path. So if you want to see the path that I followed, there's a roadmap. It's a blueprint. And it's a step-by-step guide to how this process works. And it is 100% free. It's a guide to tell you about the program that I promote. And that's at Paula Daily Pay. And that's also in the comments below. There's really nothing wrong with you if this has felt confusing. Most people aren't failing. They're just overwhelmed. But once things simplified, everything changed for me, and it will change for you too. You just need to take the next step. I'm Paula. I'm from Paula Daily Pay. If this video resonates with you, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. I do videos once a week. All of them are geared towards people 50 plus that are looking to make a living online and get out of that 9 to 5 grind. So I hope to see you in the next video. I'll see you soon.